The highly anticipated collaboration between Hershey's Kisses and the Pokémon Company is finally here. Get ready, trainers, to embark on a chocolate-filled journey with special edition Hershey's Kisses, wrapped in collectible Pokémon foils. With 151 unique foil designs inspired by the original Kanto region Pokémon, every unwrapping is a chance to discover, trade, and collect them all. The partnership combines the timeless appeal of Hershey's Kisses chocolates with the joy of discovery and collecting, making it more than just a treat. Fans of all ages can now experience the thrill of collecting their favorite Pokémon with every unwrapping, and the special edition foils may even spark a little friendly competition. To help fans track their discoveries and show off their finds, Hershey's Kisses is offering a limited edition collector's case, designed specifically to hold all 151 chocolates. This case is perfect for fans to proudly display their collection and fuel the chase to find every Pokémon. Fans can create an account on Hersheyland.com, Pokémon, for an opportunity to score a special collector's case while supplies last. The experience doesn't stop there. The Hershey's brand is also taking the experience digital, allowing fans to track their collections, monitor progress, and unlock digital certificates to share on social media. This way, fans can connect with others who share their passion for Pokémon and Hershey's Kisses. The special edition chocolates are available in 10.1-ounce and 34.1-ounce bags at participating retailers nationwide, and they won't last long. So, grab your bags and start collecting. Whether you're a seasoned Pokémon trainer or a next-generation chocolate lover, this collaboration is sure to bring joy and excitement to fans of all ages. Similarly, Hershey's has made a strategic move into the growing protein snack category, with its recent partnership with One Brands to launch the 1X Hershey's Double Chocolate Protein Bar. This initiative aligns perfectly with the current health-conscious trends among consumers, and the marketing campaign featuring golfer Bryson DeChambeau is likely to have generated significant interest. This partnership with One Brands is an ingenious move by Hershey's to diversify its product line beyond traditional confections and tap into the growing protein snack sector. By doing so, the company is likely to enhance its revenue and positively influence earnings forecasts. The protein snack market is a lucrative one, and Hershey's entry into this space could help the company bolster its market share. This bar has 18 grams of protein and 1 gram of sugar, making it an excellent option for those looking for a delicious and nutritious snack. The bar features real Hershey's cocoa and chocolate chips, delivering a rich chocolate experience that's perfect for powering every on-the-go lifestyle. Deanna Lyons, brand manager at One Brands, says that this bar isn't just another convenient snack. It unlocks a sweet, satisfying, and unforgettable flavor experience that only One can offer. Bryson DeChambeau, who incorporates protein-packed snacks into his training and tournaments, is a big fan of One bars. He loves the new 1X Hershey's Double Chocolate-flavored protein bar, saying it's loaded with protein and has that classic Hershey's chocolate taste. To celebrate the launch, One Brands is teaming up with DeChambeau for the Double or One Thing Challenge. If DeChambeau doubles his record of sinking a hole-in-one during a specific period, fans can sign up to receive a 1X Hershey's Double Chocolate-flavored protein bar. This challenge is all about raising the stakes, and DeChambeau is ready to take his shot. The 1X Hershey's Double Chocolate-flavored protein bar is currently available in select markets, with nationwide availability coming soon. Fans can follow DeChambeau's course record series on YouTube, where he takes on some of golf's toughest challenges and deliciously fuels up with 1X Hershey's along the way. Indeed, this partnership between One Brands and Hershey's is a match made in heaven. The new 1X Hershey's Double Chocolate-flavored protein bar is a delicious and nutritious snack that's perfect for anyone looking to power their busy day. With the Double or One Thing Challenge, fans can join in on the fun and maybe even score a free bar. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.